Good morning. Today we are in southern Italy, in Calabria, where there is a bigger wind farm with our 2 megawatt turbines. The area is between the Aspromonte and Silla. You can see on one side the Tyrrhenian Sea, on the other the Ionian Sea. Between the municipalities of Maida, San Floro and Cortale, it breathes the perfect wind to produce a lot of energy. Today with Alex, a skilled electrician, and Tonino, a technician, we see how to best achieve a service call for electrical works.
The service team is instructed to check the torques on the power cables in the connection boxes of the bus bars.
During the toolbox talk, we also visually check the PPE for electrical tasks, which will vary according to local legal requirements. Standard gloves and electrical insulated gloves, safety boots and glasses, helmet, locking device for circuit breakers, and specific equipment according to local legislation. We use lotto equipment to lock out and tag out the circuit breaker, and a safety procedure for electrical tasks. Let's go.
The two technicians are working on the turbine, a 2 megawatt MM82 type installed in 2011 with hub height of 80 meters. The skilled electrician, one of the technicians, is stopping the wind turbine, switching off the main switch and locking the handle with a Lotto lock set. The color of Lotto lock sets can be different from country to country. Subsequently, the skilled electrician is opening the control cabinet door of the filter panel of the converter. At this moment, Alex is getting a call from his foreman. Due to a system failure in the adjacent farm, the team is to briefly interrupt its work on site in order to fix the fault in the other wind farm. Before leaving the wind turbine, the skilled electrician is closing the control cabinet door of the filter panel. After returning from the neighbouring park, the team is restarting its work from the beginning again. The skilled electrician is verifying if the wind turbine is stopped with the main switch off and the handle shackled with a Lotto lock set.
Important rule when working on electrical systems. Any electrical work process must be repeated from the beginning. Previously completed steps are simply checked. Now he is opening the control cabinet door of the filter panel of the converter and is switching the circuit breaker Q3 off, pushing the red handle down, and locking with the corresponding Lotto equipment as above. The skilled electrician is now checking his 2-pole voltage tester with a live socket to ensure that it is working. In some countries, it is required to fill in a Lotto checklist during every step of the locking procedure. For checking the de-energized state of the bus bar connection box, the completed Lotto checklist is necessary. The skilled electrician is now climbing the ladder and opening the bus bar connection box of the rotor bus bar. With his tested 2-pole voltage tester, he is now testing the de-energized state on all poles of the bus bar connection box. In some countries, electrical insulated gloves are required. The skilled electrician is checking his 2-pole voltage tester again to be sure it is still working, and the de-energized state of the bus bar connection box has been measured with a working device. Then he officially is issuing his colleague the release for the mechanical work on the connection box in complete safety. Repeat the whole electrical disconnection procedure before a mechanical operation ensures you did not forget any steps.
In this case, those two guys risk to work on a live bus bar if they do not repeat the whole procedure. The torque wrench may accidentally come into contact with parts at different voltage levels and cause a short circuit resulting in an arc flash with an electric shock. In addition to the effect on a person, the arc flash could have devastating mechanical effects and damage the near surrounding. Remember, electrical accidents can rapidly escalate to devastating levels and risk human life. Electrical work processes must either be fully completed or, if they are interrupted, restarted from the beginning. Electrical work processes must be carried out only with special training and must be clearly coordinated and documented. Use lockout, tagout equipment for all electrical work in order to protect you and your colleagues from the dangers of electricity.